Confusion continues over this week's announcement of relaxed restrictions, especially when it comes to what is and isn't allowed inside our gyms and fitness facilities. Good evening, I'm Tara Overholt. This as we come up on a full year living in a pandemic, and many Albertans hopeful with immunizations rolling out. But Dr. Deana Hinshaw fears letting our guard down now could extend our time living with COVID-19, making it harder to track the virus.
I would say, quite frankly, all of us are very tired of the restrictions, and that some people are perhaps not feeling willing to follow them anymore. So it's very difficult to differentiate between the transmission that's happening in the activities that have been opened up in step one and differentiate between transmission that's happening when people are engaging in other activities that aren't currently allowed.
The province's top doctor says about 1% of transmission can be linked back to phase one of the province's reopening. But about 30% of active cases in the province have no known source. As gyms and libraries across Alberta reopen, Dr. Deana Hinshaw says that AHS can only properly trace if people with COVID work collaboratively with health staff.
That information is absolutely critical to our ability to controlling the spread of COVID-19 and to our ability to move forward in potentially easing more restrictions. So again, I would say it's a partnership. We have worked very hard to increase our contact tracing team, to increase the rigor of our data collection, and we continue to work on that end, but we need Albertans' help. This is a partnership and we cannot do this without Albertans participating with us.
The focus on transmission comes as the province identifies 35 new cases of the B117 variant out of 257 new cases. Those cases coming from about 5,800 tests for a positivity rate of 4.5%. Hospitalizations and ICU patients still rising, with 261 people in hospital and 54 of those in ICU. 2 new deaths have also been reported. 1,900 Albertans have now died from COVID-19. The province adding 9,500 vaccinations today, with 245,000 doses now given out.